What if your next investment could turn N100K into N1M, or even more? In today's video, I'm revealing top Nigerian stocks that will make you rich. They have delivered massive returns and rich dividends over time. These stocks would make you rich. They have high yield and growth potential. Stick around for their current stock prices, dividend yield, and real-world earnings examples. 1. Presco plc Agriculture Sector Palm Oil Production. Price, N1, 233 per share market watch. Dividend yield, ~3.4%, annual N42. Growth, dividend grew ~83.8% over 5. Why it's strong, surging profits. Q1 2025 pre-tax nearly doubled YoY nairametrics. 2. Guarantee Trust Holding Company plc, GTCO. Sector, banking financial services. Price, N101 per share, ~77% YTD gain. Dividend yield, ~7.95%, raised dividends for 3 consecutive years. 1. Why it's strong. Robust digital banking growth and expanding services. 3. Okomu Oil Palm plc Sector, palm oil and rubber. Price, N930 per share, trading near 52-week high. Dividend yield, ~3.9%, yields could reach 5.8% in future. Why it's strong. 26% revenue growth in 2023. Strong profitability. 4. UBA plc, United Bank for Africa. Sector, banking. Dividend yield, ~9.9%, the highest among Nigerian banks. Why it's strong. High yield, wide African presence, and strong recent performance. 5. SFS REIT Sector, real estate. Dividend yield, ~8.6% from stable rental income. Why it's strong. Real estate backed, high dividend yield provides portfolio diversification. 6. MTN Nigeria, MTNN. Sector, telecommunications. Recent challenges, MTN. Nigeria's earnings plunged significantly in 2024, reporting a N550 billion pre-tax loss, largely due to Naira devaluation and foreign exchange issues. Dividend. Despite the profit hit, MTN declared a final dividend of 345 cents from 330 cents prior, showing resilience in shareholder payout even during tough times. Reuters. Why consider it? As Nigeria's telecom giant with a huge subscriber base, MTN has historically paid out strong dividends and may rebound once macroeconomic conditions stabilize. D7, Zenith Bank plc, NGX, Zenith Bank. Current price, N76 share, as of July 16, 2025. Dividend yield, between 6.99% to 10.2%, depending on source. 2024 payout was N500 share, translating to nearly 7% yield at N76. Though some platforms report trailing yields over 10%. Performance, gross earnings surged 86% YoY, and interest income rose 138%. Zenith remains Nigeria's top-tier bank with consistent dividend growth and strong capital buffers. Why it stands out. Zenith's low payout ratio, ~26%, leaves room for future dividends, and its robust earnings make it a favorite for income-seeking investors. 8. Beta Glass plc, Beta Glass. H1 2025, return, plus 414.6% share price gain. Notable highlights, Q1 2025 net profit soared 594% YoY to N10 billion. Company is expanding capacity, signaling investor confidence in long-term demand. Why it stands out? High-margin beverage glass manufacturing with aggressive expansion plans. What this means for investors. MTN Nigeria offers telecom exposure with potential recovery upside, but income may fluctuate with macro risks. Zenith and Access Banks. Reliable income plays thanks to strong earnings, clear capital discipline, and attractive yields. Building income portfolios. These banking stocks, and selected telco names like MTN, are solid picks if you're building a dividend-focused portfolio. Sample returns from N100K investment investing. N100K in Zenith Bank. N76. 1,315 shares, N6 576 year, N548 to month. N100K in Access Bank, N20. Approximately 5,000 shares, N12 500 year, N1040 month. Even small investments can generate meaningful passive income if such dividend stocks are carefully chosen and held over time. Why these stocks? Strong dividends, 3-10% plus yields. Diverse sectors, agriculture, banking, energy, real estate, solid growth track records over recent years. Risks to consider. Agricultural and REIT stocks are sensitive to macroeconomic shifts. Banking sector can be impacted by interest rates or regulatory changes. Always check fundamentals, payout ratios, and company health before investing. Conclusion. There you have it. 5 Nigerian stocks that could supercharge your wealth journey. Whether you invest N100K or millions, these names offer growth and income. If you'd like a video on how to build a dividend portfolio from scratch, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.